I'm about to reveal the best juices you can drink to have a healthy pregnancy and give your baby the healthiest start. I've dug into medical studies, double-blind trials, and peer-reviewed journals to cut through the noise. Forget trends. These picks are backed by hard science, from protecting your placenta to boosting your baby's brain development. And because I'd never leave you hanging, I'll wrap this up with my 2 ultimate juice recipes that even nausea-prone mamas can stomach. Ready to sip smarter? Let's dive in. First, we have pomegranate juice, a real placenta protector. Pomegranate juice is more than just a tangy treat. It's a proven ally for pregnant women. Research published in scientific reports reveals that pomegranate juice, rich in polyphenolic antioxidants, can reduce oxidative stress on the placenta. This is crucial because oxidative stress can lead to complications like preeclampsia and intrauterine growth restriction. Why does it help? Polyphenols combat free radicals that damage cells, ensuring your placenta functions optimally to support your baby's growth. Additionally, pomegranate juice may improve blood flow to the uterus, aiding fetal development. You should aim for 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily, unsweetened and pasteurized. Next, we have beetroot juice, a blood pressure stabilizer. Beetroot juice is a natural source of nitrates, compounds that convert to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, making beetroot juice an excellent choice for managing blood pressure during pregnancy. Elevated blood pressure can lead to complications like preeclampsia, so keeping it in check is vital. Studies show that beetroot juice enhances endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, and increases hemoglobin levels, improving oxygen delivery to both you and your baby. How much to drink? Start with 4 ounces daily and gradually increase to 8 ounces. Pair it with sweeter juices like apple or carrot if the earthy flavor is too strong. Third on our list is spinach juice, iron-rich anemia fighter. Iron deficiency anemia is common during pregnancy due to increased blood volume demands. Spinach juice provides a potent dose of non-heme iron and folate, a B vitamin critical for preventing neural tube defects and premature birth. A study published in Maternal Nutrition found that spinach juice significantly boosts hemoglobin levels in pregnant women. Why does spinach help? Iron supports red blood cell production, ensuring efficient oxygen delivery to your baby. Folate aids in DNA synthesis and cell division during fetal development. I recommend blending spinach with citrus fruits like orange or lemon to enhance iron absorption and aim for 1 glass several times a week. Speaking of citrus fruits, at number 4 we have orange juice. Vitamin C powerhouse. Orange juice is a staple during pregnancy for good reason. It's loaded with vitamin C, which not only strengthens your immune system, but also improves iron absorption from plant-based foods, critical for preventing anemia. Vitamin C also plays a key role in collagen formation, essential for your baby's skin, bones, and connective tissue development. Studies have shown that regular consumption supports fetal growth while reducing the risk of premature birth and low birth weight. You can enjoy 1 glass, around 8 ounces, of freshly squeezed orange juice daily. However, you should avoid excessive consumption if you're prone to acid reflux. Last and probably the best one, tomato juice, a cognitive development booster. Tomato juice might not be the first thing you think of during pregnancy, but its combination with orange juice has shown promising effects on fetal brain development. A study on prenatal fruit exposure found that this pairing enhanced memory consolidation in offspring. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and fights free radicals, and vitamin A, which support neural development and vision health. Mix equal parts tomato and orange juice for maximum benefit. I recommend drinking 1 glass daily. You can enjoy each of these juices on its own for a concentrated dose of nutrients, or you can mix and match to create even more powerful combinations. Here are 2 of my favorite juice recipes you can try at home. The first one I call Pregnancy Super Juice. This recipe combines multiple benefits into one powerhouse drink. You'll need half a cup of pomegranate juice, which is rich in polyphenols to protect your placenta, a 1/4 cup of beetroot juice to regulate blood pressure and boost hemoglobin, 1 freshly juiced orange for vitamin C and enhanced iron absorption, and a handful of fresh spinach loaded with iron and folate. Simply blend all these ingredients until smooth, and feel free to add water or ice if you prefer a lighter consistency. Next up is the brain-boosting citrus smoothie, inspired by the research on orange-tomato combinations. This smoothie supports fetal brain development while delivering a refreshing burst of flavor. To make it, blend together half a cup of orange juice for vitamin C and collagen formation, a quarter cup of tomato juice rich in lycopene for neural development, 1 banana for potassium and energy, and a handful of strawberries packed with antioxidants and fiber. Blend until creamy and toss in some chia seeds on top for added omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain development. Both recipes are easy to make, delicious, and scientifically designed to give you and your baby the nutrients you need during pregnancy. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. As amazing as these juices are, remember that they should complement a balanced diet rather than replace whole foods. Make sure you wash them thoroughly before juicing. Best if you buy organic produce, as these are the safest for juicing. And make sure you check out this video on the top foods you need to avoid for a healthy pregnancy.